This is Insider Medicine in 60. From Palo Alto, scientists have discovered the genetics of age-related mental decline in men. The research published online in Translational Psychiatry identifies a variation in the coding pattern of a single gene, which seems to have a significant effect on the rate at which men's intellectual function drops with advancing age. From Boston, research presented at the International Conference on Frontiers in Cancer Prevention Research has identified that acetaminophen and non-aspirin nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory analgesics were associated with an increased risk for developing renal cell carcinoma. The research showed that no such risk was associated with the use of aspirin, while acetaminophen was associated with a 33% increased risk of renal cell carcinoma, while other NSAIDs were associated with a 26% increased risk. From Washington, stress associated with poverty affects a child's readiness for school. Research published in Child Development identified the way in which early stressors in the lives of children living in poverty affect the cognitive functions associated with the processing of new and confusing information, behavior regulation, and adjusting to school. The children living in poverty were seen to have an increased level of the stress hormone cortisol, and this in turn was seen to have an inverse relationship to levels of executive cognitive function. For Insider Medicine in 60, I'm Dr. Susan Sharma.